Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dob yeng jongpi.
Ka Tamasa Lieng ka South ngi ya ka balatip kum ka Megha Kayak Festival 2022 ka badairu ka Wei na ki Tamasa Lieng ka bahe tam hagari India kala Sdang ha ka khatlai tarik Risau Arajar Arfuar Hakishnong Umtham Bhoi district. Ya ka ni ka Tamasa Lieng balapanlong da ka Bhoi Water Sports and Tourism Cooperative Society Limited lai shimenta da ki spangot kinong Lieng bakantup ya kinong shimenta ba paukmat na kaleng kiri ka pertai ki bala juya shimenta ru ha ka lempung yela kai Olympic bat kumjuru kinong shnong jong shnong Umtham ki bala de pentipit yala de ha ka kamnya Lieng. Ka jemperlong jongane ka kanhon ya kane ka Tamasa Lieng ka dei ka jing ang not ban penitho sya ka pertai ba nagane ka jela Meghalaya ru ki don ki priyo ki batibet bat ki badon ya ka sap Lieng. Hagane ka Tamasa Lieng la sakhi ba kinong shimenta nagane ka jela Meghalaya ki don ru wat ki hebrit ki badang hapo karta ka badang khatsan snem.
Start didn't go according to what he planned, but he'll make up for time now. Got a lot of power. Go, Vikas!
Alright, countdown for number 92. 3, 2, 1, go!
Vikas Rana, 19 years old, from Umtham village, making a very good start, powering away from Karnataka. Oh, she's over. Trying to roll. Can't see from here. From Umtham. Go, Batchkam. Lot of power. As he charges down the river, going for a different line this time. Looks like he's scouted the river, found the best line down. Go, let's go. He's got a very good start in this race.
My name is Yuzil Yangrai. I stay in Shillong Whitewater Village in Umtham, and I am 11 years old. It was good challenges. There was a class 3 rapid at the bottom, so it was 2 minutes 32 seconds.
Okay.
Along with me, 11.
What is your message?
Trying and never give up.
Thank you.
I'm from Mexico.
And I'm from Italy.
It's awesome here. I love it. I'm super happy to be in India and it's great.
Yeah, it's my first time too, and I'm enjoying it. I'm trying to reach as much people as I can and enjoy as much paddling as possible. I really love it.
We're competing in the professional category.
Yeah.
We don't know how many they are, but I think there's quite a bit of paddlers, so it will be exciting.
Yeah, it's really nice. The water is changing a lot during day by day, so we need to adapt every time. The rapid is quite fun, and to put some slalom gates, it makes it even more interesting. Yeah, it's gonna be fun, it's gonna be hard, and it's gonna be like really a good memory when we come back to our country. What about you?
Yeah, I really like it here. Meghalaya is a really cool place, and I'm really happy and thankful to be here.
I think it's one of the best sports. I really love to enjoy the river and the nature. I think it gives you a view that is not common, and we manage to paddle in places where there are no people. It's just something that you can only reach by kayaking. And I think it's really good to develop something also here in India, so we can meet your athletes around the world in other competitions.
I would say that take care of your rivers because you guys have a paradise, and keep developing the sport and fight for your dreams.
My name is Ian Vincent and my wife Sheila Vincent, and we are here at Umtham at Whitewater Village, and this is the 5th edition of the Megha Kayak Fest, and this is the biggest edition so far thanks to Meghalaya Tourism, which has supported this event. And as you can see from the other footage, it's very fantastic sport, very exciting, exhilarating. It's a wonderful sport, and we have around 15 local boys from the villages here who are training and learning the sport, and they have also represented Meghalaya in Kerala recently, and previously Karnataka and Uttarakhand, and our vision is to train them to World Championships level and to build a training facility here which can train the boys and girls. We want the girls also involved, train them up to the Olympics level to go in the future Olympics, and so we are seeking help to build this course here to make it suitable for training, and hopefully it will be the main training center in all of India, the center of kayak training in India. It will be here in Umtham in Bhoi district. So this 5th edition, we have many nations. How many nations have come?
15 to 18 countries.
Yeah, around 18 nations are here. And the present world champion is here, Megha, and also the second in the world is here, Giovanni Di Genova. He is the second in the world, so the first and second ranked here in the world, right here. And some those who have participated in Olympic Games are here, and some of the best kayakers in the world, some of them are here, and they all are they're drawn to Meghalaya, because the rivers in Meghalaya are very challenging, even more challenging than Himalayas, because they are steeper. Meghalaya rivers are more steep. So this attracts the extreme kayakers, attracts the best in the world. It's the most challenging rivers in the world.
Recently, in February this year, we have formed the Bhoi Water Sports and Tourism Cooperative Society Limited, through which the government has been helping us to set this as a training center, and whatever challenges we have faced in the previous years, I think it will be resolved, and we think that all the facility will be here in another 1 or 2 years for training up to world class level. We invested in all the kayaks and the gear, but right now, as we have formed the society, we are thinking of investing through the society so that all these years we have trained our local boys free of charge, and but it is not sustainable to do at a personal level. So we believe that through the cooperative society, we will be able to give them that facility to train. It's a seed fund. To host this festival, we have received the funds. They are looking into it. We believe that with the success of this festival, they will have more reason to invest so that this can be promoted, because local talents are there and water is there, so it shouldn't be a big problem to promote at a professional level and to go to train for world championships and all. It shouldn't be a big problem because everything that is needed is here in Megha.
We don't have the funds to send them to different rivers. It's very costly for the transport and these things. And also, this is a very safe river. Some other rivers are very dangerous, so we have to get more. They have to get more experience first to go on those more difficult rivers.
What is your message to others?
Discipline, consistency, and commitment. So that has to be developed. And so far, we don't see that kind of motivation because there are other reasons that they are restricted by, because most of them are from villages. They cannot afford this kind of costly kayaks and gear because it's an expensive sport. So they cannot afford that.
So as far as the kayaking festival here goes, this is the 5th edition of the kayak festival, but this is one of the biggest editions, and thanks to like the Meghalaya tourism and thanks to the Bhoi cooperative society, they have made this possible. It's a good, there's a good prize money. It's among the highest amount of prize money for any kayaking competition in the world, which is why we've attracted a lot of people for this competition. Almost 60 to 70 participants are there today. We have about 18 to 20 different nationalities. We have people from France, we have people in Czechoslovakia, Czech Republic, we have people from New Zealand, people from Mexico, America, from all 4 corners of the world. A lot of kayakers from India also have come. People have come from Uttarakhand, people have come from Karnataka, people have come from Kerala. So I would say that this is like one of the biggest adventure sports festivals that is happening in India right now, or even Asia, in terms of like the kind of quality of athletes that are there competing at this festival. So, and also for the athletes, they are very happy to be here because Meghalaya has a lot of like amazing rivers, from medium rivers to like very hard rivers. So all the international athletes that have come from different places, they are really enjoying being in Meghalaya with the weather. Now it's changing, it's becoming a little bit nicer. And also the flows are pretty strong, and the competition here, people have got a place to stay, and the setting is so beautiful that I think everybody, including the organizers, are having a great time over here.
Regarding to the location,
this is I think one of the best setups that you can have anywhere in the country. The kind of access that you have to this particular section, this is like about a class 3 to class 4 section, which means it is medium to hard difficulty, and it's a great place to train people. So if you all can maybe set up like a proper kayaking center over here with like access to equipment, because you have the access to the river. If you can coordinate like the schedules with the dam upstream, so there is water like for a couple of hours a day, I think this can be like one of the best centers in this country for the sport, for training of the sport. So in fact, from the 2024 Olympics, this particular discipline that we are going to have, the race that we are going to have on the 15th, that is set to become an Olympic sport, and we want to like showcase that we can execute or organize a race for that Olympic sport right over here, so that this can automatically become the center for that particular race in India. And yeah, in that sense, like the area is great. You have access to the water, you have like a great river over here. Just need to develop the facilities over here a little better, have access to equipment, have access to better coaches, and have like a have a proper format where, you know, people from the local villagers who want to take up the sport, or even people from Shillong, right, or people in the rest of Meghalaya, if they want to take up the sport, they can come here, train, and get better at
What
it.
you see
It's that I've seen, because I live in Bangalore, and I have seen some of these athletes come to Kerala and train over there. And there's some like great amount of talent, because the people who come from these villages are quite athletic in general, and for this kind of sport you have to be a strong athlete. So yeah, people over here seem to be like mountain people, naturally built, and as long as they're comfortable with the water, they can definitely pick up the sport and get better at it. So yeah, I see the future is great, because you have a great playground, and all we need to do is make some infrastructure and kayaks and this available to you all, and then there is no stopping people from Meghalaya to going like great places.